So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with a new video. Today we have the new ColourPop Limoncello collection, and I did pick up 3 items. So first of all, this is the palette. Again, ColourPop kills it time after time with their packaging. And so this is the palette, guys. Very pretty, very wearable, and I think it came just in time for summer. But then as you guys can see, this one does have a mirror, which usually their palettes don't. So that was a big plus. Definitely appreciate that. I did pick up their blush. They did have, I believe, 2 or 3 blushes, but I did pick this one up in the shade Sorento. It's like a more like a warmer peach type of color. And then I did pick up one of their luxe glosses. So nice. I got mine in the shade Come Through, and of course the packaging is to die for. So this is the look that I came up with for today. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into the video, guys. Hello guys, so we're going to start off by priming the lids like I always do. And for today's primer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Pro Eye Elements in the shade Core. This is the same thing as the eye putty primer from e.l.f. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that with my Luxie 140 brush. These two products, like I said, they're pretty much the same thing. Next, we are going to go in again with the Limoncello palette from ColourPop. Super pretty, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Lemon Squeezy, which is just like a very nice orangey shade. And I went ahead and I blended out with my e.l.f. crease brush. Usually I start off with the darker shade, but today I really didn't even know what I was gonna go for, so pretty much I'm just winging it. So I took that all over the crease and then just tried to blend it up a little high. These shadows are really great quality. Like I said, I've never had a problem with ColourPop eyeshadows. They blend amazing. The price is amazing. Their packaging is amazing. So honestly, guys, right off the bat, I already knew I was gonna love this palette. Next, I'm gonna take the shade called Amalfi, I believe is what it's called. I'll leave everything on the screen just so you guys know. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that right above Lemon Squeezy, just so it's, you know, nice and blended and we have a nice transition. I believe I was using a Morphe brush here. I was using the Morphe M330 brush. Now we are going to darken up the look a little bit, and I went in with the shade called Vespa, and I again put that on my crease. Here I'm just taking a BH Cosmetics brush. The number is rubbed off, so I'm not even sure about it, but just a small brush will work. And again, usually I start off with my darker colors, but since I didn't know what I was gonna do today, I pretty much winged it, but it's fine. I just took a little bit and I started applying it and blending it out. And then here I'm gonna go in with this shade called Serenade, which is a gold yellow. Now I did not wet my brush for this part, and it was pretty vivid and bright. So for this, I used my JH41 brush from Morphe again, and then I just went back in with that Vespa shade, which is like the dark chocolate brown, and I popped it on the outer third. And then just to blend those two together, I went in again with the shade called Lemon Squeezy and kind of connected everything. This is again a very pretty palette. I feel like it came just in time for summer. I do think it would be a perfect summer palette. It is very beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight the brow bone, and I'm gonna take the shade called Touring, and then I did pop that on my inner corner. Now I am gonna you know, make this process a lot faster, guys, and I am gonna go ahead and do my full face and then just come back with lashes. I'm gonna show them to you guys because I never do. Now under the waterline, I took this shade called La Festa, and it is like obviously like a very bluish pretty color. I did want to add some color in here, so I just popped that on the waterline. And for that one, I just took a Morphe brush, guys. It's just a little detailing Morphe brush. Now here, like I said, I did go ahead and do my makeup just so we would be ready and just go ahead and try out the blush that I will be trying out in a second. Now this is the blush. It is in the shade Sorento, and it is just their pressed powder blushes. This is more of a warm tone peachy color, I would say. So definitely loved it. Right up my alley when it comes to the color. And again, on my apples of my cheeks, and then a little bit on my nose. So now I'm going to take my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Cafe, and I'm going to go in with the Luxe Gloss, obviously from ColourPop, in the shade Come Through. I swatched it for you guys so you guys can see. It is obviously not super pigmented because it is a gloss, but it does have some pigment to it, and it feels really nice on the lips. It smells good. It doesn't have a strong scent or anything, but it does smell nice, and I honestly love this combo. I'm definitely going to be wearing these two together a lot more because I love these kind of colors, and also you guys know my nude colors. But yes, guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy my videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.